How to add and customize subtitles or captions in Clipchamp. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up Clipchamp on your PC or laptop. Once you have done that, make sure to import your video. If you have not done that, you can click on import media from here and then import your video. Once you have done that, click on captions from here. Now click on turn on auto captions. Click on turn on auto captions from here as well. Now we just have to wait for some time. Now as you can see, the auto captions have been generated. Now you can customize your subtitles as well. For that, just select the subtitles that you want to customize, and from here you can resize your captions. Now you want to click on text, and from here you can change the font of your text as well. So from all of these options, choose whichever you want to change the font. Then from here, you can customize other things as well, such as alignment and color. And this is how you can add and customize subtitles in Clipchamp. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.